Let's go across now to the report on another chief minister who is in trouble, though for entirely different reasons. Prithviraj Chavan of Maharashtra is now facing a revolt from within. More than half the MLAs from his party have written to the state Congress chief saying they won't win elections again if the chief minister continues.
First, the NCP. Now, MLAs from his own party. Maharashtra Chief Minister Prithviraj Chavan facing the heat over allegations of inefficiency and slow decision-making. 37 of Congress's 82 MLAs and 2 independents in an undated letter wrote to their state president saying they are upset as important issues involving the Aam Aadmi have not been resolved. 5 Congress MLAs, including outgoing President Pratibha Patil's son Rao Sahib Shekhawat, have not signed against their names.
विदर्भ वैधानिक का प्रॉब्लम होगा, इरिगेशन का बैकलॉग है, उसमें पैसे मिलना चाहिए, रीजनल के जो प्रॉब्लम है उसको लेकर हमने लिखा है। अदरवाइज हमने उसमें कोई किसी के नेतृत्व पे, किसी के बदलाने पे, किसी को आरोप प्रत्यारोप की कोई एक लाइन भी उसमें नहीं लिखी।
In the letter they say important issues have not been resolved and people are upset with the Congress. When we tour our constituencies, we have to face public anger. Please convey this to our seniors. Their demands: medical colleges in Vidarbha, filling vacant government positions, and issues connected to irrigation and cotton farming. Many of these MLAs are supporters of former Maharashtra Chief Ministers Ashok Chavan and Vilas Rao Deshmukh, supporters who feel they and their leaders have been deliberately sidelined while taking crucial decisions. The Congress, embarrassed, chose to downplay the open displeasure of fractions within the party.
मुख्यमंत्री जी के खिलाफ कोई एमएलए ने कोई कंप्लेंट मेरे पास नहीं की है, ना उस तरीके का कोई खत मुझे मिला है। कुछ चर्चा जो एमएलए किए थे मेरे साथ, वो चर्चा के बारे में मुख्यमंत्री जी से मैंने बात की है।
Just days ago though, when the NCP launched their attack, the chief minister made his priorities clear.
You could talk about individual decisions, decisions which benefit individuals may have been less than usual, but I think I have concentrated on taking policy decisions.
Sources say the timing of this letter is deliberate, but like the NCP, Congress MLAs too are likely to go this far and no further. In Mumbai, Tejas Mehta for NDTV.
Well, joining me tonight, I'm joined by the BJP's Prakash Javadekar. I'm also joined by Jitendra Awadh of the NCP, President of the NCP Youth Congress from Maharashtra. We'd hoped also for Tarun Gogoi to join us, but there seems to be some problem where he's not coming on camera right now. But Prakash Javadekar, let me go across to you. 2 states ruled by Congress chief ministers, and in Assam and Maharashtra, very different situations. But in Assam, clearly the Gogoi government doesn't seem to have been able to control violence which has begun for the last 4 or 5 days. BJP is now sending a fact-finding committee here. What are the reports that you have got, sir?
See, this is very worse situation in Assam. It was known that there is a land grabbing in the scheduled area of where the tribals and the Bodos are living, and still government chose not to see and solve the problem, and that is why it made it that it gets accentuated and come to this. Now 25 people have lost their life. And still, government is totally absent. And now, after 4 or 5 days, they are now calling army and everything. But these 4 or 5 days violence has a precedence of at least, background of at least 1 year when the things were getting worse. And government has completely failed, the constitutional mechanism has failed, and it is absolute and utter failure of the Assam Chief Minister and the Assam government.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.